Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beloved family, I want to listen to this very update. Hey, see, I am saying it that I love this our barrister so much because he normally hit the nail on the head, and if he talk to you, hey, he go enter wella. I don't really want to talk too much. Please listen to him and do well to drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
When we have government who are allergic to the suffering of the masses, when we have government who are not government, who are businessmen, because we don't have leaders in Nigeria, they are businessmen. I've said it and I will continue to say that we don't have political leaders in Nigeria. What we have are businessmen. They are doing their business, they are conducting their business. Whether Peter Obi, whether Tinubu, whether Atiku, all of them are businessmen. So don't come and tell me that Peter Obi is better than Tinubu, or Atiku is better than Tinubu, or Tinubu is better than Atiku, or Peter Obi is a saint. If Peter Obi is a saint, why did he have money in Panama? Peter Obi is even worse, and I'll tell you why it's worse. Everybody knows that Tinubu is a cunning man. Everybody knows that Atiku is a... But Peter Obi is even more dangerous than them, and he'll be pretending that he's a saint. How can you go and form a company in Panama, kept $7 million in fixed deposit account during the time you are governor of Anambra State, and you are not claiming that those money belong to your children? So nobody should come, and if you want to play tribal politics, get out of my page. I don't invite anybody. I'm not a blogger. I'm not looking for people to come and look at me, to watch me. So if I'm an Igbo guy, if you don't like what I'm saying, excuse me from my program. You can be worshiping Peter Obi in your Southeast. I don't have anything to do with Peter Obi. Peter Obi is as criminal as Tinubu and as Atiku. And now, if Peter Obi knows that whatever I'm saying is wrong, let him come and sue me to court. Let's meet in court. Enough of all this nonsense that is going on in Nigeria. Now, good news. I have good news for you. The good news is this. Federal government of Nigeria had advised Nigerians to buy bicycles. Federal government of Nigeria had advised Nigerians to buy bicycles. So I'm going to open a new business. I want to start exporting bicycles to Nigeria. Nigerian masses say they are gullible. You are going to learn in a very hard way. You see, the era of enlightening people is over. The era of begging people, the era of telling people that this one is not a good candidate is over. It's too late to cry when the head is off. So I'm going to establish a new business. I want to export bicycle from America to Nigeria. God so good, they have a lot of used bicycle where you can pick on the street without even paying money. So I will ship them to Nigeria. Since Tinubu, your beloved president, had advised you to start riding bicycle. Meanwhile, Sheyi Tinubu is son. Sheyi Tinubu is son, is riding Rolls Royce. But you, the masses, Tinubu has advised you to start riding bicycle. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá tẹ́ support Tinubu, ṣe rí pé ó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣe rí pé asiniwáyé gbà ní. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá tẹ́ support Tinubu, ṣe rí pé asiniwáyé òpònú ayírádà ní gbogbo yín. Tinubu now said that you should be riding bicycle. Tinubu, that's what he said, though, as of yesterday punch. So nobody should come and be crying on my program. Tinubu said, and I quote, that Nigeria should start riding bicycle. So I'm going to enter into a business. God so good, Shike Shikuluba is my friend, is the chairman, CEO of GMO group of company on Western Avenue. It's really Lagos. Shike Shikuluba, if you know Shike Shikuluba, the son of late GMO, the man who was the son of late Shikeluba, the founder of GMO, is my very good friend. And he has been into bicycle business for a long time. So I'm going to partner with Shikeluba. We're going to export bicycle to Nigeria so that you Nigerians can start riding bicycle. That's what Tinubu said. And I'm quoting him. That federal government said that Nigerian masses should start riding bicycle. Meanwhile, Sheyi, his biological son, is riding Rolls Royce. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá tẹ́ sátẹ̀lẹ̀ Tinubu ṣe bó ti bọ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ṣe pé àsìníwáyé gbà ní àsìníwáyé ní gbogbo yín òpònú ayírádà yín tẹ́ tẹ̀lé Tinubu Yorùbá lẹ́kàn Yorùbá rí ní Yorùbá ronú ọmọ ẹni ò ṣe ìdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe ìdí yín ti wá ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ nísìn. If Tinubu like you so much, okay, that's why it's not good to tell lies. Somebody says he knows Shike Shikuluba. Shike Shikuluba is my friend. And so somebody say he knows Chike Shiguluba. So that's why it's not good to tell lies. He has been, he has been importing bicycle for a long time. So, and I'm sure Chike Shiguluba is not good. His business will boom now. Yoruba people said they are not going to get sense. They refuse to have sense, and they say that not every Yoruba people. Not every Yoruba people. So sorry, with the honest and genuine Yorubas. So so when I say Yoruba people, I mean Yoruba people that are supporting Tinubu. So let's clarify it. When I say Yoruba people, I mean Yoruba people that are supporting Tinubu. So I withdraw that statement. Yoruba people that are supporting Tinubu, see your left. See your left. Tinubu has advised you to go and buy a bicycle. He himself is riding his son, Sheyi, is riding Rolls Royce. His son Sheyi just bought a Rolls Royce worth 450 million naira. But the father is advising you people to go and ride bicycle. Òpònú pọ̀ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá, àsìníwáyé pọ̀ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá, ayírádá pọ̀ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá. Èmi mọ̀ pé Yorùbá got to buy. Mi mọ̀ pé Yorùbá got to buy Ọlọ́run fọlọ́màṣẹ́. Mi mọ̀ pé Yorùbá got to buy. Tinubu's father is advising Nigerians to go and buy bicycles. The son is riding a brand new Rolls Royce. The daughter just had a birthday about 3 weeks ago. She was, in gift, she received more than 120 cars. And I keep on telling people, this Emilokon, people are saying Awalokon. Very soon you know that Emilokon or Awalokon means Seyi Tinubu. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Iyaloja General. Zainab Tinubu, Abibab Tinubu, and then Remi Tinubu. So be saying Awalokan, Yoruba. Now, why can't Tinubu, since he likes Yoruba so much, why can't he make a law that Yoruba should be buying their fuel for 300 naira? Why can't Tinubu say that Yoruba should be buying fuel for 300 naira? Or why can't Tinubu even say Yoruba should be buying their own fuel for 120 naira, and then the rest of Nigeria should be buying their own for 700 naira? Tinubu so like you. Tinubu so like you Nigerians. Tinubu so like the Yorubas. This was the same Tinubu when they were killing Yorubas. When the Fulani were killing Yoruba, he kept short. He kept mute. He did not say anything. The same Tinubu. The same game is what Peter Obi is playing. Peter Obi now, they are killing Igbos. They are maltreating Igbos in Lagos. Peter Obi kept short. Keep out. Obi did not say anything. Kept mute. So what's the difference between Peter Obi and Tinubu? They are killing Igbos in Lagos. They are displaying Igbo. They are demolishing Igbo's property. Your Peter Obi did not say anything. So what's the difference between Peter Obi and Tinubu? If Igbo, I challenge you, what's the difference between Peter Obi and Tinubu? Now that they are maltreating Igbos, Igbos are killing themselves in the southeast. Igbos are being terrorized in Lagos. Let me use that word. By MC Oloma and gang. Igbo's property are being demolished. Even the Speaker of Lagos State House of Assembly threatened to take over Igbo's properties in Lagos, and they are going to revoke their CFO. Did you say Peter Obi say anything?
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.